It all started after working a long 12-hour day when I received a call from my boss that work was going to be slow for about a month. After hearing this news, I simply looked at the bright side and took this opportunity to venture out to the local lake that I pass all the time, but never fished it before. Not having a clue of where the hot spots are at or what species of fish is going for what bait, I grabbed my fishing gear that I always have ready and stashed away in my truck, pulled out my go-to setup for the following morning.
There's Coco.
Fishing is a delightful outdoor activity that offers both relaxation and excitement. Fun of fishing lies in the thrill of the catch, the serenity of nature, and the opportunity to spend quality time with friends and family. It engages individuals in a variety of environments, from tranquil lakes to the turbulent rivers, making it a versatile pastime. The benefits of fishing extend beyond enjoyment. It promotes mental well-being by reducing stress and providing a peaceful retreat from daily life. Furthermore, fishing encourages physical activity, as anglers often walk, wade, or paddle to reach their favorite spots. It can also foster patience and perseverance, as success doesn't always come easily. However, fishing can be complex, especially when it comes to using lures. Different lures mimic the movement and appearance of various bait species, requiring anglers to understand water conditions, fish behavior, and seasonal patterns. Selecting the right lure involves knowledge of color, size, shape, and technique, all critical factors that can influence a fishing trip's success. For beginners, this complexity can be daunting, but it also adds depth to the sport, allowing enthusiasts to continuously learn and refine their skills. And this is when I come in. My channel is about sharing my experiences by simplifying it for you. I make fishing easy. If that's what you're looking for, you came to the right place. Viewers, on this channel, I'll take out all the frustrating aspects of fishing by introducing only what's practical, because fishing should be fun and rewarding. If you're interested on fishing methods that are simple but effective, subscribe now. Welcome to the exciting world of crappie fishing. One of the most effective techniques for enticing these tasty freshwater fish is the slip bobber method. This versatile rigging technique allows anglers to adjust the depth of their bait with ease, making it perfect for targeting crappie that may be suspended at varying depths in lakes, rivers, and ponds. In this video, I'll walk you through the essentials of rigging a slip bobber, including the necessary gear, step-by-step instructions, and tips for success on your next fishing adventure. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a novice eager to catch your first crappie, mastering the slip bobber technique can greatly enhance your fishing experience. Here is my fishing hack, slip bobber crappie rig. You can use your favorite slip bobber rig. In my setup, I use a 6-pound mono consisting of an oval-style rubber bobber stop, a 4mm bead split shot, 30mm foam slip bobber, and an 1/8-ounce jig head at the business end, tied with a non-slip loop knot. The reason for this knot is so the jig head swims freely, giving that natural presentation. What I did is that I created my own custom worm setup. I took a zoom worm that you can purchase at your local Walmart or Amazon and cut the length aside, right where the appendage ends. And then hooked it to my 1/18-ounce jig head with a non-slip loop knot. There is a common misconception that this method is only used to cast and forget. There's some truth to that if you're using live bait. However, it also can be utilized for finesse fishing when using soft plastic. The right cadence, you can land a slab-sized crappie. In conclusion, crappie fishing offers an engaging and rewarding experience for anglers of all skill levels. Viewers, it is important to understand that slip bobber technique not only just works for crappie fishing. This technique is also effective to catch all species of bass. Click on the link to see that video. Otherwise, it will also be available at the end. Back to your video. Whether you prefer the tranquility of a quiet lake or the excitement of a fishing tournament, the versatility of crappie fishing appeals to a wide range of outdoor enthusiasts.
Okay.
With proper techniques, local knowledge, and an understanding of seasonal patterns, anglers can successfully catch crappies and enjoy the thrill of the chase. It's a delicious catch. Crappies not only provide a fun fishing experience, but also make for excellent tasty meal. Overall, the pursuit of crappie fishing fosters a deeper appreciation for nature and encourages quality time spent with family and friends.